Yewe.
Yabo into engisho. Yayizona ngithathe ngisho.
Hey,
Like namhlanje nje.
Athi kuzonyela today. Hey.
Okay. Sanibonani, welcome you to our special show, Shibowo Magazine. This is your host, Pile Matibe, and I'd like my co-host to introduce themselves. It's just spinning it all out. So tell me right one.
Hello, Steven Mavota, Shibowo Magazine.
Yeah.
Siyakotsi, Tanko.
Umlungisi Professor Malinga.
Yeah. Kune-ghost mhlaba wonke. Mr.
Spogielos.
Yeah. Ghost group.
Yeah.
As you all know, we will be wrapping up a FIFA World Cup 2026. Actually, it's FIFA Rigged Cup 2026. As you know, we will be wrapping it up. And imagine I want to go like surprised and they know pretty well what's going on. Abanye mama, this is the intermin Rigged Cup 2026. Rigged for man, what's it? What's it?
Explain ukuthi wathi ring. What?
FIFA Cup.
Oh, Steve, ne?
Namhlanje abantu sebayacheche emuva.
No, until remake it.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Explain.
How to what thing
understand? Esidlali waphethe nathi ukuthi vele sesiyayibhala
indaba. World Cup.
Yeah.
And before siyivala kahle some things that we need to discuss, but first kunama question engizobuza wona just to sikhulume la ukuthi khambani, sithetheleni, how are the things? What is it that you saw, Steve? Njengoba uthi rigged now.
Thank you.
I quote. So yeah, much nah? Okay, not like it. Let me just raise one point.
Yeah.
Ngolo Kant adlala bami.
Makasena liyo.
Yeah, Maradona dali ke mara ku empethu.
Akadlalanga like abamfaka.
Akadlalanga and futhi into enkenya ukuthi uyakhona ukubona lapho ukuthi imidlalo yeFrance beyimdinga kahle ubuya ngami amagimbi ngwabheki beyimdinga.
So a problem is coach. Problem is coach.
Yeah, maybe. It can be FIFA.
Oh, they come to see from rigged to
coach and to your
Oh.
Okay. So they're gonna choose Mbappe over
dictate.
So the team must suffer because of
personal issues.
Wow.
So golden boot. It is a collective thing. Okay, sometimes it has like you individually, I'm sorry, but it's a collective sport. So if one person, the prince of the team is fighting with the other team. Princess, the dictator. The dictator is fighting with is fighting with the other player. Then Leo player must be just trust aside.
No, I'm it's simple. That's why I'm saying it's a princess. Why can we just understand some feelings of you came here to play for your country?
I don't understand.
I don't understand why can we just some feelings.
I don't understand
because of this certain image. Whatsoever.
That's why Nalama player. They go through things and they kind of discuss, you understand? Because honestly speaking, as a player, based on child, the whole World Cup, now about okay, this is my last World Cup.
At least
I'm told. Not even one game.
And if I'm a player to Mbappe, treatment clear. Not that guy. If he's not that guy. Only 7 to him.
Naleyo bani manukona
abo mathetha bakhona mfethu like mfethu hayi too France yamachwantla uzikani futhi uzoba icoach angayenzi lamasimba
like asabukela ngebhola sesibukele la
favoritism
like it's football politics
but sometimes uthi Mbappe line up Those are the people who sells like tickets. That's why.
Alright. No.
I'm
Even with Messi, Messi being part of FIFA World Cup, Babanza must say it. You understand? Because I believe with
even for merchandising
Messi,
purposes.
let's put it like this. Like okay, realistically speaking, Messi with Maranga World Cup is nothing. Basically, according to their numbers and business and everything. Adidas and the Adidas is sponsoring Footy World Cup. You understand? Those are numbers and figures.
Yeah, that's why we needed Mfuking in this final.
So yeah, it's business, it's politics. We're no longer watching Pella. It's kind of no good must be report. Since when you want begins and in Manchester, there's like when you want really about you know, it's no longer the talk to Bogamel Sponu Messi like to his full locus and potential with what is he capable of. But now we as a process but I advantage na get certain Letumbogazi Kuluni disking and so that's the positive side of things. I say Colento le so we into ukuthi bonile banjwele bani in njengoba sisho manje ukuthi it's asakhuluma ibhola sasikhuluma
ama terms with this banye bapenile wapenile World Cup yonke
ya Conte itfana la ile ya mfano ke mangu Kobe Manu then uthola di minutes and then nearly le lo nya promise hore ka fita ini la ko scheme sa England
Nokuthini South Africa beyinikezwe la Elforce ama-minutes
like maka ke mo ba mdadisitse mfetla la force until re bona go like to tshwanele for goal so then they had to ba change ba kenye batho ba long ba tlo spa so di party players lo ngara 20 minutes and they know it's sad because of talent ke le wasted tse di nene ba di sa gutla probably ngola Kante for instance not 35 ne never good
ke tshong le tsantsa ba retire grand after last FIFA World Cup
so like it's sad for the player mara anyway hopefully minute go mara titi yena o soka o umpontshitse ka semi final or a week coach England plus la ke nganywe and I think
yeah
6 goals
I think World Cup play but the Champions League is bigger than World Cup so fuck World Cup
controversy
but Spain is a winner vandag
Visca
that's
Espanyala
Messi is my coach chief Marai mina ngifuna ibhola liwini futhi i-World Cup
basically mina anginandaba vandag udlala iBarcelona ku-finali neFi Madrid
that is hope even Spain no Messi
ne-Argentina nayo ngiyifuni because ayibafuna bodaki so basimbe Argentina
also namhlanje
they committed a lot of genocides against black people.
Makaka kwasheba ne Spain. Makaka kwasheba.
Argentina is the second colony of Spain.
Vandag ku favor Spain.
Spain.
Vandag ku favor Barcelona ke namhlanje. Angithi Barcelona. Lo favor Barcelona ke namhlanje.
Spain vandag ma ku favor Real Madrid.
That's what he said. Spain. It's go Spain.
No.
Yeah, it's Spain. It's in a way, favor Spain. Yeah.
Madrid ayikho lapha finally. I'm okay.
Abinekwala. Last time bakhetha ama-player bhaya ku-Madrid, Spain azangisiye ndawo ku-World Cup. Siphume early. Last time bakhetha bhaya we-Barcelona, bayiwini World Cup 2010.
Okay.
16 years ago.
The reason bakhetha ama-player bhaya from
Barcelona
is because Barcelona is dominating football. Even at 2010, Barcelona was playing amazing football.
So that means Barcelona may dominate izinto zenzeka Spain. Mara makudominate Madrid. I think it's happening.
Madrid has never dominated Spain. They dominate Europe. They always dominate
Champions
Europe.
League.
Yes, Champions League.
The league.
Spain.
Mara babe ne-era.
Spain. Abadophi next Barcelona ihlezi bakhahlela fail futhi.
So Barcelona is big.
Barcelona is big in Spain.
Yeah.
But stepping out of the yard baphume Jardine.
Barcelona inswim because naye base finally ne World Cup FIFA.
Bukhona ama player wamanye ama team la.
Ingaki. Angithi
the most unhinged left-footed player in Spain right now is Marc Cucurella.
And Ichwantla la ku Chelsea. liye Madrid no.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Yeah.
So uyabona. Uyodila noya
Bayern.
lapha.
Angeke.
Uyodila noya mali ke lapha.
Yazi into engincanywayo ngoYamal kulo World Cup azange afuna ukushine ukuthi
Yeah.
abe yimi.
Yeah.
Azange
Uyi
afune.
team play, awu team player. Team player. Azange afuna kube kuye uye ukuthi man yimi.
okay, now
I can agree with you.
okay, lapho nami I can agree with you. But kunale
I'm not
le room
agreeing.
lesishiya, yabona le room lesishiya, walibheka phoco isimo. Phoco isimo sokuthi kwenzakala lento enzakalayo. Angashine okwamele ashine ngakhona.
Isimo se-team.
It
The team edlalela.
can be isimo se i-pressure ye-World Cup, I'm just saying. It can be isimo se-team.
But I think yazini ucapable ukuba yimi ne. But no ubonile ukuthi hayi la kule environment engikuyo we are playing as a team. Let me
Okay,
just
yeah.
keep it simple.
Lento
Yeah.
siyibona from it, okay, opinion.
Yeah.
But then again, what's kanjani ukuthi that's how it is.
Ayile wesibonayo sizokhuluma ngento
Bese
esibonayo.
nokubonayo.
Le uyibonayo siyibona.
Ah,
Abantu abane-experience. So, probably be ama-advisor. Fana, sisumoya.
yeah.
Sishare teamwork, sithole.
At the end of the day so win a song.
Because of Mama Tepega, Michael Merino came like 8-3.
Yeah,
Scored twice. But the way
And-
I mean, but in the game.
and
Surely
to
not
add on-
the game.
And to add on that ne enye into engiyibhekile ubonile maybe naye una 19
Yeah.
uyabona ukuthi kuno Cristiano uno Messi uno Mbappe nani naye I think relax
Yeah.
next World Cup kuzoba yimi no Mbappe and ngizomthatha uyangithola
Halal.
maybe no Haaland maybe ngangafuna ukusifaka kuleyo pressure leyo ukuthi nami I want to be a top player khulunywe ngami the way sing relax let me play for the team Maru yazi ukuthi uzobuya na 23 na 24
Nakhona futhi opinion angithola. Because it might be the way you thinking 100%. It
Yeah.
might be the other way
Yeah.
of thinking, and because uyamali intwana. Asibe realistic. Uyamali intwana siyazi ukuthi uma
Still as World Cups.
mahlangabezwe yi-limelight nani. Sometimes you misbehave. Even though kunabantu abaka-advisayo. It's not always the case where
but
you
it
take
can
your
get over your
candidate.
head
Yes, that's what I'm trying to say.
njengomkotha
Because
Yeah,
I can compare Uyamali no Mbappe, Bonucci, not in terms of playing and everything, but the way bangakhona in terms of the approaches in impilo. Ukuthi okay, uyakhumbula Uyamali kunalami. I think kwaba beef. I think no Cristiano Ronaldo, where they were actually playing against each other. They were supposed to even shake ilokuzana izandla.
ile nto
You
le
remember?
yayile cup abalenzile Portugal
Yeah,
ukuthi
then-
balwini they couldn't win
Then
shit
Boba, yes,
United Nations what
Nations League.
So hence I'm saying what it can
No,
be.
that was
both sides
that
of
was
the
actually
story.
the second trophy Portugal winning.
ngithi balenzele for bona ukuthi balwini because they couldn't win shit
They won. That was the second trophy they win Portugal.
bayiwinile ama Euro so after lapho they saw ukuthi they couldn't win shit
It
so
seems
bayenze
totally
Yabo.
panel.
So kahle
Debate.
they couldn't win shit kanjani when they already
Hello,
won.
like face to face.
Wow.
akuthi ngizama ukumbonisa la ile nje angifuni ukuya ngi-explain bengifuna ukuthi sidlule kuye ukuthi ulenze point like ngithi kuye balenzele bona ukuthi because they couldn't win shit so angikhulumi nge-team ngikhuluma nge-play so angifuni kuyenza for i-play that's why bengifuna sidlule
Bayenzele play.
yabona sizohlala
Okay. Okay,
And kule bengathi ufuna ukusibuza something.
yeah, sengibuyela khona
Yeah.
ngiyabona ukuthi i-point yokuqala
angiyethe
kule nto le bengizobuza ama-best moments ne wale tournament. So the question is, which single game or moment from this World Cup will you remember in 5 years from now? We can talk about it.
World
just
Cup kaofela.
debate,
Yeah.
The best moments
best moment.
for me
for me now, South Africa winning against the Korea Republic.
Is it something that's gonna last? forever?
sinyaza sana
Yeah,
ngazosinyaza
anginyathi maka best moment yami.
Like,
Wakubeka
best moment,
nginyathi.
yeah.
Nginyatsa kanjani,
singamachwana
No, in a moment like in
No, like
fact,
in fact,
again.
sidlala ama World Cup engaki?
Shaya.
Okay, shasa. Sidlala ama World Cup engaki? FIFA.
8-2
Ayi-2. And then sa qualify kangaki?
4
Sa qualify
Sorry?
kangaki for group stage?
They won manje.
manje. So that's the best moment.
Oh yeah, it's
For
must
knockout
qualify.
stages.
Ungathi must.
Mala i-best moment mangithi bengifuna ukuya wena wangena
attention to detail.
wena wangena wathi ya singamachwana
Yeah,
uyasinyaka
it's
mina
must
like kanti
qualify.
ukuhamba
Azosinyatha.
so like bengingalalanga la ngoba
Sinshwe
thina masibuye ekuseni ngamagama iphumile lapha amavuvuzela like bengicelebrate like that's the best moment
Yeah, it is.
emzansi
Oh,
And it's something that you will remember.
and
5 years from
uzukhumbula
now,
years.
ukuthi masibuyela
10
ku-World
years
Cup
from now,
siye saqualify singayiyenza le nto.
That was actually the highlight for Tina South Africa.
Yes.
Oh yeah,
uthini
Madala.
asinandaba noma
asinandaba
asinandaba
naso
nomadala
Okay, Jen. So Steve, what's Bafana?
Pito.
Diversion.
Mm. Eyakho Mlu.
The best moment of this World Cup.
uRonaldo makaphuma. Iyadlala. Iyadlala.
Abo referee mabazikhuthuza bafuna amakhadi Argentina mayicommit ama-foul.
Oh.
Bazikhuthuza
Argentina.
So it's something that
and i-Argentina mayifoul ureferee akasayitholi impempe ubhizi uyagijima
how old would
iwisile ayikho somewhere.
mawula mathini
Sebenza
yawathola
Iyamkhohlisa
And then makabone i-Argentina maseyisha i-foul and then say oh konje nginamehlo konje nginempempe konje nginamakhadi.
So he's spectator.
Makudlala i-Argentina mayicommit ama-foul but then let me not say Argentina specific but
You said a lot.
officiating of this World Cup
Oh.
was just poor. That's something I will always remember about this World Cup. I've been complaining since day
It's
one.
been poor.
Officiating, I will remember this for the longest time.
So do you think it's something that's going to change? How things they actually has been done?
It's actually going to get worse.
It's
The more
been-
technology that they are adding to the sports, the worse it's going to get because the officiators are going to depend on the technology more and more.
Agrees with me. Oh no, what I said last.
No, when I'm talking sports science.
Okay.
Adding to
Head
what
on,
I show you, nayizolo like kunento eyenzakele la like that is why it's some ivar nayo ayinavar
I never.
yangithola
Then what's the use of
because kune incident eyenzakele kwaba ikhona
technology
then bayibuyisele emuva bajaja I think goal kick and bekumele kube ikhona then and bayireview amakhona ngithi
Yeah.
no ukuthi ikhona mara bayireviewa ngizolo le ungabona ukuthi
Bukele namhlanje i-Argentina.
So
mara mina mhlawumbe uthi Argentina
Vargentina.
Argentina
I-Argentina.
yeah
Argentina.
okay mina my moment
yeah.
ya ayomfukeng makaphasa umaseko ngingikhohle ukuthi awuyiphasile la uthi leya bekumele swine mfana kumele shaya abantu mfana wayiphasa mfana leya uthi umfukeng angistress World Cup yonke jo ngasizwa nje ukuthi Spain sifike finally ngahila that was the moment
It goes later.
Obvious. I'm going to say out of 10 qualifying 19 South Africa. That's something they didn't expect.
yeah
It's always going to
yeah
be there.
yabona wena
It's
yeah
always going to be there. That's a good moment.
Yeah.
so mina
Even though we didn't compete that much, but
qualify for to the next round in
next
the
round, like
out of
I said,
10,
out of
9.
10.
Yeah, moving forward, I think we need a coach that's not gonna keep our talent.
And Mingangani, out of 10, there were 7 African teams.
9
nine
Morocco is Africa. Egypt is Africa. Mingangani.
Okay, well, the biggest overs and underperformers.
Yeah.
The biggest overs and underperformers. That's the
Okay.
question. Yeah. So, which country surprised you the most in a good way or bad way? Who did way better or worse than we expected?
Germany did the
Eish.
worst.
Yeah, Germany. I will second that. Absolutely.
They
Germany.
did the worst.
Germany
Didn't
was,
expect that.
yeah.
So football elidlalwe eGermany.
And
Didn't
then
expect I didn't expect this. Bafana I didn't expect that because we are big.
like that.
Yeah.
And then
We are big like that.
ayaliphakamise lasemzansi
We are big like
then
that.
So
the worst
Germany-
performance. Germany was the worst, and then the best, and like Tingati the best. Surprisingly, in terms of performance, like overperforming beyond my expectation, was the Norwegians. Yeah, one of the Norse. I was fit.
The Vikings.
Yeah, those Vikings, man. Yeah,
They were fighting.
yes, especially that striking Viking, my guy. Yes.
Yeah.
But the captain,
Best moment.
Mm.
Best moment yeah bekubona iplay elincane South Africa lenza debate World Cup. Mfuki.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that was the best.
As
moment.
expected.
Yeah.
Obvious.
Number
As
10.
expected.
Number
That-
10
And
is
wearing
Charles.
number 10.
Number 10 is Charles.
Mbokazi ne? And makaqeda lo Wadonski wathi ufuna ukudlala
I
naye
think-
eMLS.
I think
Yeah, ngiyakubona ukubambisa
Asi-
ibhola mfethu like the aggression bengathi udlala ayi-1 amaposition
On that game that we lost. The last
Let
game
me
that
see.
we lost. No, the last one.
Oh,
That's why you
then
see-
the-
Canada.
Canada.
That's
Yeah.
why you see
Yeah.
character a player.
Yeah.
This guy he was actually playing as a left back,
Center
Center
back,
back,
midfielder,
midfielder,
forward.
Yeah.
Ikhanga phambili,
Kanjani?
ikhanga
Yo,
semuva.
Now he was fighting. Kunale sombela ombambe khona yabona wagijima nomuntu like makabeka inyama. Lefuna uzanga yindonsa ngesikipa kanti ukuthi idonsa
Yeah,
indoda.
sibonile.
Indoda. Hayi wow.
And the young man ngaleso sikhathi. Yo.
And then the offer sign said he
Yeah.
mount. Yeah, Napoli vele
Kuzoba grand ngale.
kuvezwe
Ngale
nale
abadala lelo.
lasha istrip Dortmund, ngane Dortmund yamfuna. Ngathi neBorussia yamfuna.
But there hasn't
But
been an
I mean
official
ngaya
phase.
kuNapoli,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, lena ngapho Napoli.
Mabadlala ku Champions League they go way further than
And it becomes
Dortmund.
But
and
then,
it becomes easy for him ukuthi athole nala ma-points wakhona ngoba lokho
That is why ngithi ngaya kuNapoli.
okay, but then there hasn't been an official. Gucci Bali bele babhizi bathumela ama-scouters nje kuphela. Not ukuthi
Yeah,
No,
but
but
it shows the
agent
interest.
yakhe
We're not
ithe
saying about-
agent
we're
yakhe
talking about-
uthe
Yeah,
she's been
Lolo
busy.
Shiro, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she's been busy with
Open
offers and none.
Yeah.
So that means akhona ama-offer yabo.
and nakhona it doesn't
No
necessarily
official
mean ukuthi
paid, yeah.
mabathumele ama-scout abekho interested mabathumele
They
scout
are,
bafuna
yes.
ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Mfethu, there's no smoke
They're
without
actually
fire.
bidding
mfethu.
for him. Okay,
Yeah.
another one. Player/team of the tournament. If you had to give out 2 awards right now, player of the tournament and team of the tournament, who are you picking? And I know, okay, for Nyazi, I think I know, but yeah. I think I know. Yeah. It's even a
Player of the tournament. Ubani player of the tournament?
For me, could be who's this guy? Cape Verde.
Goalkeeper.
Yeah.
Vozinho.
Vozinha.
Yeah,
Vozinha.
that played well. For
Jorginho.
being an unknown
Vozinha.
dog.
Mm.
Played very well.
For you playing in a team.
Then get a team.
40-year-old.
Ama-players panayo aze ngokuzodlala nje.
Kaizer Chiefs nangu goalkeeper.
Ona futhi. Futhi bajwayela ama-buy one play. Bajwayela ama-buy one get one free.
Usayinile Atletico Madrid in full-time contract. You know, Vozinho.
Signing.
Wow.
I think so, yeah. Atletico Madrid, I think.
Wow. Diego
Yeah,
Simeone
Simeone.
akasazi ukuthi
At the age of 41.
Oh,
41 year old.
Phela nakhona
That's
mawusayina i-contract kanje maybe let's say udlala isizini eyi-1 then bakuthatha bakenze goalkeeper coach.
Yeah, that's why it's
Because ispan kahle kahle
That's good.
i-contract.
Chiefs hard bafika. Bazoba goalkeeper coach ninechwantla musilapha.
banamachantla wodwa.
Khona manje nale ntwana le kunale ntwana
Goalkeeper coach,
Bamrobhile ukuthi kumele ngumkhaleni imali yakhe manje ku-Chiefs.
kane bottom offer contract or something.
For goalkeeper coach.
Hey.
Oh.
Okay, another thing.
Mm.
Uyakhumbula ulithe njani ubaye kanjani Kaizer Chiefs? Okay, it wasn't angazi ukuthi kambe kanjani but kunelinye player yeah.
Another diversion.
That-
Yabona lo oyilonda lo usekaphumile play of the tournament baba, team of the tournament awukhuluma.
Oh mina. Player of the tournament, the one and only,
Number
Only
11,
one.
Number 10.
the one and only coach. The one and only. inidlala final today. Miss.
Oh, lower penalty goals.
Team of the tournament, Spain.
Zonke finally.
Yeah. No, I would say Lionel Messi is taking player of the tournament again. Team of the tournament for me, England.
Why?
They showed a lot of character, a lot of unity, played as a unit, man. And unfortunately, it didn't pan out. Flop who's organize against Messi. You don't organize against that guy.
Spains.
He coach.
Yeah, he could.
Yes.
He could, but not the one and only. He deserves to be in the GOAT debate, but he's not the one and only. Yeah. He deserves to be in the GOAT debate, but he's not the only GOAT, not the one and
Or
only.
in Nempondo.
Because because tidings, Diego Maradona had to walk so that Messi can run.
Yeah.
And Pele had to crawl so that Diego Maradona could walk.
Yeah,
And Messi can run. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know, El Professor.
Okay, Professor.
Who's your player of the season, Chief?
Player of the season.
Yeah.
Oh, good game, player of the season.
Oh,
Of
the
the
tournament.
tournament.
Oh, ish, yeah. Tournament. So,
Le gama le ngathi ngizohlanza mangizolikhipha le gama.
Messi.
Like yeah, mfethu obvious.
Messi.
Marketing strategy sefika.
No, but
Ibuyele
then
ekhaya,
sikhulumela
Uwe
wena,
tate,
sikhulumela-
Marketing
sikhulumela-
strategy sefika.
ungayi ngama
But then sikhuluma ngayo.
FIFA sponsor Adidas. Messi uzoyithatha obvious ibranding likhuphuke. So
sicela uringe igama
idalela America. And the final idlalela VAR, sorry. I-final idlalela VAR in New York. Sure. America. Umesi udlala VAR MLS. Udlala America, so obvious. Messi uzoyithatha yabo. Le tournament.
Oh,
So
I will come.
team idlala final fanda against the team there. Yabo. The best team.
Spain. And you are not feeling any pain.
Spain.
Yeah.
Akubhayisikele mina. Akubhayisikele mina Spain. Nakil Spaniard njalo. Ngizafaka ubutho la kwetsala.
Arutho ya.
Influence yalo.
Influence ngiva.
Yeah,
Messi and Spain.
Athi izwani nge. Wabona bo ulepere bo Foster wa phela World Club. Sheba copy. Bare mfethu kiyele ntwele kana ko ga wathi batshwantse uye la.
Okay, I know.
In as much as sabantu ko Messi
Diego Armando Maradona.
Yeah.
Mara wathi baphethu thing ne.
Yeah.
I feel like, okay, it's not a bad thing, but it is a bad thing somehow. Because some of this, ke maqhipa, work about Cristiano, work about Messi, work and on natural share spotlight mostly don't actually work one thing, focus on. There's other players along the Ladile and Fate, some of the players we didn't even know about. They've shown character, they've shown everything, but I've never, you know.
That is why when it's level cup play, it's a money making scheme.
It's business.
Such
And
on a
moving forward, it's gonna
man.
be like that. It's not
That
gonna
is why
change.
na hydration break just for what bona bayenza imali. That is why we were pusha.
Into ngiyibonile ngama hydration break.
In fact,
Argentina, ngama hydration Leona dealing le break le. Bo ngashama like besibona Kesha baphuze ivati. Some afike amagame eArgentina. La kungayanga for break.
maybe the channel
that's what
Hayi
bubukela.
baba.
And that's
Mina
what you
bengibukela
do.
ku Fox
It's like
America.
Argentina
Shy ad wire
Argentina
guys.
It's pushing you
everywhere,
obvious.
Exactly.
Mara
They
mpe,
even sure.
For the team tse loreng ga ke go tsaba tse ko ba World Cup ba bitsang since hold host nation tse my 3 is the only team as a travelers ka di team tse di
Yeah, wabo.
In.
Argentina.
Mm.
so that's why kere now Argentina
It's the only
o
team-
dula ntse dula
It's the
hlaya
only team that did the game at night.
exactly so
And it's
taba ya
what,
hore
another
heat
team.
le ngaba itse
Argentina.
that's why not do water break it's a one ne oh
When we say this FIFA is rigged. Okay.
Actually, Egypt is the one that traveled less than any other team.
Thank
we
you.
know no listen
It
we never
could be
said we
Argentina.
said
No,
Argentina we said
Egypt traveled
outside
less
work
than
Argentina
Argentina.
so we need as long as our team we were just mentioning one that's all.
As long as research a trend, Egypt is the one that
Egypt ukuthi travel. Okay.
That's why it's
wonke lama-teams ngawabeka sibeke iPortugal sibeke iFrance sibeke kuzoba nento ebafavorayo along the way ukuthi i-Argentina ngiyibekela cause bathe Argentina abayijaji yabo problem and hayi ukuthi Argentina
I think they would partake.
if uMessi bekangadlali kule World Cup mina I'm telling you for free if uMessi bekangadlali kule World Cup yabona zonke lezi zinto ezibalwayo ezingeke zibala
Kanjani?
Because uMessi akekho umuntu aba against him.
Yawuzwa sithi
abo referee bazosebenza.
Argentina. Mina ngithe Argentina.
World Cup is been hype between
Then I'm not working my opinion.
Yeah, sivele ifocus uzoba kwa Argentina.
Ngoba vele it's their last World Cup.
I-last World Cup yabo Julu. So like
listen to ngoba sikhuluma ngazo manje ukuthi baphuma laba ngena uba.
Izinto masifavor lo ningakhali because of Croatia bayikhiphe kabuhlungu.
Croatia.
Yeah, ulwilo Modric uzamile
ushilo nge-offside.
Mara bayibrusha off.
Ngiyibonile.
Anizange nidringe ngayo le thing. Ngazange nenze i-controversy ngikhulume ngayo 30 minutes. Yekeleni. Let it rest. Bazamile for your goals. It didn't happen. Unfortunately, there was Spain along the way.
They actually closed him down.
There was Spain along the way, my brother. It was not going to happen.
Sponsor Adidas.
Ube Skazo, really, I can't yeah. I'm back. I'm back in Spain. Spawn with the
ambassador.
What you in Argentina group in?
Yeah.
Argentina being in group in konje.
Oh, lama team lawo.
Ayenza.
Abobani konje badlala abobani group in.
No, lo msi.
Abobani.
Cape Verde. Man Cape Verde.
Cape Verde
lama team lawo singawazi. Caracas
ranka kuphi against
Uzbekistan.
Because Uzbekistan is ranking higher than all those teams. Was a group in Argentina.
Argentina beyihlaba ke ngabe besegroupini ya.
Naku ke
Argentina beyihlaba
namachwanhla wodwa group.
Kule World Cup Argentina facing
European team. As long
ne-Egypt one ne-Cape Verde afakeni lama-team lawo ibayise ku-extra time yiwo ama-game tough afakeni i-coach yena ayifikanga la izazi lezo zinto because of it was not meant to be
1966
it was not gonna happen for you guys
1966 yakoba nge-end of court marathon Argentina versus England.
We know it was 19
years ago.
Fight with you. That's like competition in the team.
No, it wasn't 96. How are you gonna
pull that through? Mbappe is one of the same thing.
3 decades ago.
Mbappe is a chwantla. Njengokusho now.
Argentina yashaya England nge-end of court.
It was 1990.
Just imagine if you like
somewhere there.
It was World Cup 1990.
They were skis.
Lawa barra nge-World Cup 1990 singangento eyenzeka manje ukhuluma ngoMbappe
athi Mbappe wenzani igijima kakhulu ya
uthi uMbappe wenzani
asithi singayenzi leyo distinction but let me just highlight Mbappe. Do you think Mbappe can play as like the way we said collecting the ball, creating and everything?
Never.
He won't. Hence I'm saying ukuthi yena everything wonke umuntu onze umsebenzi yena bamupha the cherry on top ukuqedelela. Understand? That's what you said when I started saying ukuthi Cristiano should have done the very same thing, could have been better.
Yeah, because of age.
But now if you're playing in a team where there's like a competition umuntu olwa now instead of assisting you, then it's a problem.
Yeah, that's what we said last week. We didn't fight for him, just like Argentina fighting for him.
Yeah, but now you cannot. He has a partner. Who's this boy? Ukonze Cristiano, not like Argentina. Who's that boy?
Canacho.
Yes. We are going to put a relationship here. No Messi a team in ukuthi. No muntu lo ukuthi nje sidlala sonke. But umuntu ongemncanyana ungabe kuya ngamawe edlala no-CR7. Right? Ama-player adlala no-Cristiano, ama-player afuna ukuyodlala nalo
Bruno
so yabona if let's say for example ama-free kick most instance ama-free kick uyabona ukuthi Cristiano ufuna ukushaya liyamtshengisa umbonisa ukuthi ngubani he steps over uyenza lento yakhe then le yafika emebholeni shaya free kick so you see that like exactly so let's say if the tables were turned that's not going to happen, but I'm just, hypothetical. Let's say if Christian Nebel, different topic about
Yeah, ngabe bas.
so now
Okay,
yeah,
amara
different
bebanye
stuff.
bafike kakhulu.
Yeah,
Ngoba Spain
just-
the score.
yeah.
Okay, now.
This one is vibes and culture, ne?
Yeah.
Sharp. Beyond football, what's been your favorite thing about this World Cup? Fans, the goals, the drama, the host, and energy.
Cabo Verde. Cabo Verde ya rona. Cabo Verde ya rona. Cabo Verde ya South Africa. Mfana,
So I can't take it
Vibes and
to
culture.
Yo, that's very good.
What? The culture that
No kayibona.
Huh?
The Viking wow.
or the red wall.
the Vikings.
The story about the Vikings. Any goal, like spectacular, something that you like, yeah.
Mina for mina yikho. Bengibona nje abantu bebafuna ukwenza imali kule World Cup and
So
beyenza.
kahle kuna best VAR moments.
Officiating is still the problem in the World
Best VAR
Cup.
moments.
This,
Ngoni phele fast ne.
yeah, hey, bafethu, hey.
Focus ngayo.
Okay, before iphela
Kuningi
fast.
okuza ngapha.
Before
Kuba
iphela
mnandi
fast.
kule season.
Because ngibuzile nge player that you would actually give an award to in the team. So which team is taking it today?
España. España.
Funa nale mic ngifuna ukuyibekela.
Manje ngizorasa kakhulu yabo izophika.
One word.
Sizosebenza kakhulu ku post production mawenza kanje yazini. Uzobangela i-production umsebenzi ompaya. One word. Vargentina.
Argentina.
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 Nenye team.
Spain. Mina all day everything. Ngangibuza na next year, na next of next year Spain.
Next year.
Hmm.
I'll cover that.
Spain.
Argentina.
Argentina.
Une love and hate for me.
Fanda go rotlesha Turkey.
Love and hate relationship
Turkey.
Yeah. Yeah,
No, stop it. I like it.
Yeah.
the hate I have for Messi is his in-depth relationship, the officiating, FIFA. They put on kitty gloves, man, when how they treat Messi. To think a whole president of AFA was fired just so that the president of Argentina has to intervene in football association. Yeah, Argentina.
So uthi i-CAF nayo sizobona uDodi.
Hey,
ICAF.
Okay.
Sizobona.
Angifuni ukureya
No, so long-
into esho.
So long as our president bakhona bashaya ngeimpandla
If food items, if the president of the African Union intervenes in footballing matters and turns it into something political, then yeah. Because you'll never see a black player in Argentina. It'll never happen.
Is there black people?
Is there black people?
Are there black people?
Zero. These people kill black people. Uzolenda uzofila ulenda.
benzani?
Bayababulala bodwa
Hey,
eArgentina.
Idaba zelikhulu.
Yeah, no, these views are from one person, not from the podcast.
Okay, but let's say
Yeah, we will edit this out. Don't worry.
which coach you think Jorge ushaye homework yakhe kahle kahle? Was prepared from Sasuka till now?
You go pros wena.
For example, German got great players. Just tell them Chinese pan, but TV. France got great players, Chinese pan, but covered Spain. The same. England got great players, but that coach was a Chwanka and said keep Spencer, keep Rice. Those people try to maintain the game for so long, but to go against the ball. Like no one is doing their homework. Finally, Argentina is not doing their homework.
But did
Argentina waits for like 83 minutes, then you'll see. Yeah, you'll see with these guys wanna play.
Actually, on a point, yeah.
Now, so
Because
no
of-
one is like each and every team there, even South Africa could great players, I'm still gonna say. But coach, it's another transfer who's making us to
On
miss
a
some
point,
of the
on the
games
point,
as well.
yeah.
So no one is making their homework there. It's like the whole team got great players, but some of the coaches choices that they make during the game, it's what affects the game.
The game.
So we're giving coaches too much credit. They're micromanaging abantu ukuthi
Yeah.
the superstar players and you can't manage them.
Because like
Didier Deschamps
Mbappe-
did
Mbappe-
do
Mbappe
his
was
homework.
only subbed once.
No,
He did.
ngabe ku-final.
Ngabe ku-final mfethu.
Mbappe
Uthini?
once subbed.
Didier
Arteta's
Deschamps.
camp
Deschamps.
uyenza
Which one?
Uyenzi.
Which one?
Didier Deschamps.
Which one?
For this World Cup, he did his
Ukuthi
homework.
check.
Kuphi kule match
Okay,
le
nice one.
no, that one he didn't even calculate for. Bekangena
Okay,
playing for
okay.
third place.
Mbappe
for
got
each and every
to
single
the
match.
quarterfinal.
against the Spain wenzeni homework.
Thank you.
I'm
You can. It usually doesn't matter how much homework you do. Someone will do better homework. Someone will do it better.
Okay.
I think he
okay.
might have a point. You know why?
Yes.
Look Cape Verde.
Surprise,
When
yeah.
he's surprised about when the homework guy, according to his experience analyzing on a FIFA World Cup, I think my
Yeah.
personal
Okay,
So-
let me
Kuma
ask
wa
you.
Cape Verde.
like a coach.
Nacala
No, yeah,
ufikela.
it is sure.
Yeah, but
Ukuthi le homework ayenzile emspaneni
Mspanele.
to a certain point.
and then there's people
If
who
let's say
actually.
there was maybe
Vich,
hypothetically.
that's why I say you can't be too organized against teams like Argentina. You can't be too organized. You can be organized, but you can't be too organized.
What is too organized?
Too organized means you stick to the script till the end.
Okay.
Uthi maso ufuna ukudefenda, ufaka ama-defender, uhlala emuva,
Then
uyarelax.
didn't stay
Dala
to the
your homework.
script.
Yeah.
Yes,
No, that's you
sure.
sticking to the script.
No.
So we score one goal, we sit back. We
One
know
thing there.
because Uda Hiddings, Lentwana Loke was given the same instruction yokuthi you will track Messi just like you were tracking Haaland. Lentwana Loke. He did that and then Mahlale Muva. And then Messi just decided to go Super Saiyan. Base kuyophelwa match.
So homework uyenza.
Uyenzile
Yeah,
homework.
actually,
But then you can
plan.
plan.
Saying, okay, Mela Makumis, if Messi is going to the left hand side, I'm supposed to go there.
Sekavulile.
That's my homework.
And then le hambo bole yawo yenza.
Asi homework ayenzwanga uyabona. Homework ayenzwanga.
You can
Because uzovula imbobo la.
Anithiwe lento le i-homework uyenzile but akayenzanga ngendlela yokuthi bokwamele yenze like a stick to it 100. That's
That's
what
what
it's
I'm
on
saying.
Bawuka homework
So
bakhona.
if-
Then
The final end is-
That's what we can be.
I'm not coaching you
Yeah, the
prepare.
final
Yeah,
end
that's
is
what I'm
you
saying.
didn't do your homework.
Okay.
You did do your
Steve,
homework.
each and every coach.
You have to do it for 90 minutes.
Yeah, well,
What?
Can I say something?
Yeah, you can.
Tega.
If they're saying, okay, today, Steven, Bobo, Lou, Ule, it's back for you.
Mhm.
I'm going to miss certain people. That's my homework. If Lou, you're putting my center back, we are the good left. Bobo must come in. As over the space around you. That's my homework. But if they say, okay, Haaland is not someone who's supposed to cross a mapole. That's a total different thing.
Mntwana noma uprepareile noma ungayisha homework
Yeah.
uhlangabezana
Akekho ukuwaka Haaland limits.
yeah ke batla bontsha something akekho topopana uzohlangabezana nenkinga
Yeah.
along the way okay
Along the way,
doesn't
yes.
necessarily mean owenze homework it has to be 100 when you want it to be 100 but you
No,
don't
I don't
know
want it to
no
be
listen
100, but-
mamela akekho how it's a plan
Yeah.
but executing 100 again
Yes.
but not knowing or the opponent ipreparile jwang for
Yes.
plan yawo hence re sure it doesn't necessarily mean owenze homework yaska spana the way spanning ka teng awayi
But who doesn't know that Messi can carry the ball from the center to
they do know but now the thing is they said to him you must stay with him right
Yeah.
and wala lespanini uMessi wayenza lento ayenzile
Then
and
you
leyo
show
nto
it.
into babulalile because
That's
that's the
what-
change of everything
That's why I'm saying if I have a big four as a coach, as a defender, like defending coach, like ngifundisa sama defender wami mntanga lo muntu lo makaya kule Steve taka in angithi
Shatana.
okay you uphume. You're making solutions to the homework. You're not
Kahle
sticking to the homework. Okay, you must stick with
Okay,
that
mina
guy.
nami ngithi nami
Because of
decision
you know
yami
ukuthi Messi can
yokuthi
carry the
akekho
ball.
coach oyenzile
Messi
homework
can carry the
ozoyenzani. But now I'm thinking about it. Spain yiso kuphela. Sidlale their true football.
Spain
They
has-
didn't
has-
change
has
anything.
Spanish in, man.
That's doing homework, my guy.
Spain is good with rotation.
Leyo
And into
mina-
abantu abangekho aware ngayo.
ngeke ngithi homework
Ubheke-
phese
lento le besikhuluma
Spain
ngayo manje.
i-culture yabo badlala kanjani
No,
No, like itshintshile.
It's your homework.
like into abayijwayele
Okay,
It's your homework.
Yazi Spain isinayo shana nge-rotation. Lento le besikhuluma ngayo ukuthi almost ugcina bayi-holding midfielder ukuthi kanjani asazi. Mara bese attack abantu Fabian uyo bese kakhipha amaphasi. Yangithola. Kusho ukuthi kune-rotation wena uplane ngami ukuthi siya nama-10 Themba. You understand?
Yini leyo?
Mara Fabian makavela ngo-left kwenzakalani?
Homework.
No, Steve right.
Yeah.
no
Like,
sibra
homework,
ngiya-agree
that's how they
fair
play.
but then
Yeah.
i-culture yabo it allows them ukuthi badlale kanjalo
Yeah, so
sharp
That's
right
their
the homework
homework.
but then
Okay.
I wouldn't
My
say
guy,
ukuthi homework because of
France ayenzanga homework.
Sazi
Ayenzi
badlala
homework.
kanjalo.
No.
Because of you
Ngabe
know ukuthi
base-final.
bangavela. Mama was surprised about
Mina ngabe
indaba
base-final.
ka-Oli. Almost lokuyi-holding acollecta amabhola laphaya ayimuva sinini mako Fabian adlala until certain minutes baze bamkhiphe bafake elinye iplay that's
Ubani?
how
control the game.
Phela first, nakhona ngithi mawuprepare.
Afaka bani?
Mawuprepare i-World Cup. Awubheki
Edri baba.
ubheka yonke into from labadlala khona nani nani uyazi ukuthi okay if ngizosipana ngo-Olise yazi ukuthi ngomunye umsebenzise kanjani nani right so if Spain akashiba Spain unantshene re ngakana o pula ka ba re taba ya bo dijara ntwana tshwantse di mathe energy ntwana tshwantse di rotate ball and everything wa bona ntse re ngakana phela a prepare o sheba keng a gap okay di team tse kaofela ko England badlala so ko Spain badlala so lengwe what is it that we can introduce lo ngba tsene ba bayina talking about rotation phela no di-players no nkare di-program ntse re qeta mo bua kana ga ba itse focus amole noma shebe yazi fana exact ufocusa lapha ya ibhola noma ngaba lapha ya so long bathi ufocus lapha kushudlela bhola online.
That's what I'm saying.
You understand?
We all know that this can carry the ball from the center and score. But now Gaby can leave the game. Now going to fetch Messi for Afunga actually so. It's not gonna.
There's like your homework when you do
So
homework
homework
like
ayenza.
It's not that. So
moshele
coach,
yonke
Ne France ayenzanga homework ya.
labo bathi
Cause uOlise noMbappe noNtembele abakhonanga ukudlala against Spain.
because of
Umuntu owenza homework yilo we-Spain.
and Spain besazi ukuthi
That's what I'm trying to say. That's what I'm trying to say. Bayenzanga homework France.
lento yenzeke nge-France ne-Spain Spain isispani isistrength esilona se-France against bona they are full of speed babadlala i-patience football
Yeah.
Ubonile ukuthi ne-England yenze ne-France izona. They did a much better homework than France. They did the same thing i-Spain beyenza. Laphaya kulezi zidlala la. Lezi zi-3 zidlala la. Benze sure ukuthi abashiya space between i-midfield yabo ne-defense. So ngeke bakhona ukudlala. That is why uCheck bekabuyisela amabhola emuva. So uDescamp akayenzanga homework needs.
and if you can
Uthwala
check
kaphumi
and
kulezi
yabona
zidlala.
njengoba
u-Olise akadlalanga la because of uRodri bekahlezi all over la bekamdisturba nje lezi zinto lezi u-Olise bekazenza nami ngibheka ukuthi u-Olise uzoba umuntu ozovela for France but then uRodri la ayi position
phela
le
lapha ku-France
ayifana
i-congestion eserious.
Nginitshelile akunganisho weeks ngithi awucabanga i-team yeSpain nge-stress.
Player wonke.
Angicabanga inning ne-stress mara mangicabanga
And it's
i-Spain
ebuhlungu
two
ukuthi
players.
you taking uthatha ama-player because you're thinking ukuthi these are your superstars but you're not working with your hard-working players. The players that you know ukuthi laba they will deliver for you.
No,
And
ile
other players they
nto
get to shine. Ukuthi hayi so long as ingenile ngayenza whatever. Njengale ntwana yangazi bani ethe funa ukona
Mbappe.
eSpain. Kima unamntwana eSpain ethe nilora kago ebatla ushapa iskill kick finally. But this is his chance. Akithi Kima is a Pedro or something akithi. But yeah, he said he wanted to tell a bicycle kick. So you see, our mentality about what I try. Mucho batla unka king World Cup. Ona or nakita. Wabona anka shaka. It's over so. I try to kill it. You understand? So.
Yeah, so I mean for me namfana. Coach wenza homework ngizosho ukuthi nah,
Telefonte
kahle i-World Cup masinathi siya-rate out of 100%. How much would you give it percentage-wise? Like the way bengakhona in terms of
out of 100,
it's officiating.
it's 70% bengenza imali.
No, that's
But
you,
100
that's
when
you
it comes
being
to
generous.
100 when it comes to
30% bekuyibhola.
1 billion this year.
Yeah, they were scamming us. 70% beyafuna ukwenza imali.
That's what I'm saying. Good
Ibola-
100% is like business wise. They
ibhola mfethu it's all about emotion man level nenza ama-hydration break jo like
momentum.
and the very World
Yeah.
Cup, they turn things
it's all
up.
about emotion mfethu kumele silebele sidlala sigijima ila khona ukuthola nawe
I-advertise bayenzana.
Very mnati obviously. And very each and every star spanner of FIFA nesicaba mandate. So
yeah to make money bangayisa America nabayahlala
Bangasaphinde bela.
last question.
Badlale i-American
Last
football.
question.
Badlale isoccer.
Last question.
asizwe
Looking ahead. Okay. We're wrapping this one. Okay. But what's the one thing FIFA can do better in the next World Cup?
yeah cancel hydration break and bad officiating bad officiating
Kahle kahle World Cup le mfana it's about officiating.
How can they improve? How can FIFA improve for the next World Cup?
2030.
2030, yes.
That's why I was like,
Morocco
it's
It's three, yeah.
Spain, we defend that. Spain.
The Gwanjanani, where the first World Cup
Portugal.
was held.
there's like 6 countries.
Yeah.
6.
3.
6.
They host in 2030.
No, like they are hosted and nali mo against Kari utlodlaliwa the stadium tell bani giboni say 6. Giboni Portugal, giboni Spain,
Giboni Morocco.
Then there was this other 3 countries. I forgot the. So and the question I think is about sorry. Do you think I think so. But do you think or riding in it was a FIFA ya copy in terms of logistics and everything, or they just can't?
I guess it's the 100th year anniversary World Cup.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
FIFA World
6
Cup. It's going to go back to the first country where it was hosted. Kwanjini.
ube scarce I'm back
I read in the country, so
I'm trying to remember. Yeah, I'm trying to remember, man. Whether the first country to host the World Cup.
ChatGPT yabuza ChatGPT
Okay.
So yeah, but in terms of improvements, Buffet to I officiating.
Officiating.
They have to cut down. They have to cut down on the amount of technology they keep applying.
Exactly.
To football.
Even the goal line technology, like now, as I understand now, at some point, I'm to
like in the offside about what
The offside,
I want technology called disk. Because of
Offside. Then you
offside
ulimele ngendlebe yakho
awukhawathekile ngendlela
and that's why ngithi officiating hayi they have to do better and manje yazini yonke le yazi mina into engikhinyayo yini yabo yonke le mithetho abayenzile iyeza ke Africa uzobona ku CAF yenye team ele South Africa siba nezita ezi5 sisizibuza ukuthi why kanti
in Pirates.
1930 Uruguay.
Pirates
Yes, it
Uruguay
was Uruguay, the first World Cup.
Uruguay
South America.
South America ne
Yeah.
Yes.
Argentina final
Yes, they are the first ones.
FIFA ne
team etodlala ndayo Uruguay ka yona 2030 ya travel chief from kwa uya kwa
hela no o shebe wena no bona na tshwa fetsa I retrieve the outcomes are 2030 go lo etsala re tlo ba le di assumptions and everything, so everyone will be like see the screen
akhathele kuskema abantu ngogesi namanzi balanda ibhola manje baye ku FIFA
so phela yabona maso ngena nabo Donald Trump so we ni politics
that is why ngithi
uhlula office
into ezibhazenzekile mfana ngale
office like uhlula ke office utla ko bolo batla ko bolo
red card
ubatla mpula okay
nalento leyo ukuthi ama-president wama-what nani babe nama-team wabo nayo it's gonna fuck up football
already is far
ngaphandle kwe-PSL
it's
well run can see it's well managed it's well run
yeah
it's well run baba ngoba ngabe it wasn't
Matlanga commission.
ngabe
Matlanga.
yeah, no scammers. If they PSL be not well run, ngabe Pirates win so league. Manje asikho da. It's well run. Whoever winile uyayideserve, whether ibani, whether isikhukhune, whether yini uyayideserve.
Bathi isikhukhune esuthatha eMarawi.
Ubheke ku-CAF ke manje. Team ezofika e-final imso. Kanje. Icalele seyiyeka yi-2.
Samkhumbula
Alright,
Inefu.
samkhumbula.
Sesivala kanjalo sizofika emaphethelweni. Amaphetho okay, libaza like
Score.
to be precise.
Mlu score.
Score.
1-0.
2-1. Angithi
Winner.
eh
Or Argentina.
Argentina, yeah.
Argentina.
Yeah. No, iphumile ngithi sibonile iphumile script man now.
Argentina.
Envelope iphumile.
Anakilithi 1-0 ngweteli.
Akuna-Argentina iwine World Cup.
1-0 ngweteli. Mama be surprised. Spain is the one song asakora yo.
Awuna Argentina iwina World Cup.
Okay, 2-1.
Winner.
Win Spain.
Yeah.
Yeah. And ngobuso mfana ubona iphuma.
Yeah.
Alama ngathiwa ngathi
Winner.
Spain.
Winner.
Yeah.
Winner. Oh,
Espanyol ushilo tonto
Yeah.
batla score
2-0 ne.
1-0.
Elang.
2010 yes ayenza via
When
afana
it
khona
is
uyakora
Spain.
extra time 1-0
2-1. Hey, 2-0. Unamuntu ozokora.
Spain asuyini World Cup mama.
Ukuthi namhlanje injama
Sangawa.
I favor goal favor Spain collective. not
I just want football
I
to
know.
win.
maka
Futhi
sobona
nemo-
90 minutes the S will be silent.
sobona resilience nelona ne
Abadli goal.
patience football
Cela ukuthi uyenze
two different ball game vandag
akathi 90 minutes.
The S will be
S will be
silent.
silent. Let's post a little
Man.
clip ekumele siyipost.
Clip.
Okay, wafethu.
phela vandag
Ngathi kunomuntu ozobapeyinela.
asobe spinela so
Hayi.
Yeah, njengoba sesivala abafethu ekuthudis. Kanjalo.
Ima singakayivali kuna something Sorry. Yeah. Ngithi ngicela something regarding the topic ebesinayo last week mental health. Kune outi ethi ishaya March. I forgot to send that. Actually not in March, just a walk. Kuplomiwe at Orlando Stadium. The like hlanganela khona ku Orlando Stadium. Amagents, yeah, 9 o'clock in the morning, yeah. And then take a walk around and then get Plomiwa. After the walk, I park in right across the Orlando Stadium. Yeah, Plomiwa, yeah, I'm some shop, Plomiwa, kuringiwe zama out. Sort of like a men's conference type of thing. But Nabo sister are invited for support.
I mean, ngicela ukubuza.
Ngay 26, yeah.
Why is it every time angazi but yeah, why is it every time makucala kuyenzakala something kuba nama-movement afana nalawo isikhathini long run then they die out kwenzakala another thing futhi they start happening again. This is not the I think this is not the first one. Okunaleya ka-Patrick Shai, it came then it died out. Same applies to this thing. I mean the one that's coming, I'm definitely sure, but God forbid ukuthi izoba khona for a short period of time and then it dies out. Why is that? Because now
Nah, but
not only support,
ngiyamuzwa ukuthi uthini.
Yeah, ngiyamuzwa nami.
But then before le ezoyenzeka no nge-26 bekuyiphe endeyani
no,
akekho umuntu oyenzile last year akekho umuntu yangithola
I'd support and
That's what I'm saying. Support. Like,
no ilekho umuntu ozoba nesandla abe kuyo yabo.
Women for change. Women for change is like consistency.
yeah, I think
Mm.
consistency does.
Tina, that's why it's like support and consistency.
Yeah,
So
labantu
thina
abahlali badla imali esihlale sibabona baboshwa lapha kuma WhatsApp ngeke bafake imali kulezi zinto ezizobeke ukudla because
Okay,
of no yabona ukwenzakala
What's your name, Lucha?
26
Ngay 26.
26 July.
So high.
26
Sunday.
So boy announce ukuthi siye or
No, I'm
Ocean.
just letting everyone know.
No.
I mean, I want to attend, but unfortunately, it's being spanned.
i-26.
Yeah.
Zokuspana nginseza zakho ngiyadlala.
So you know all the details.
Those are all the details.
Okay, and then we'll add more details. We'll clip here too. Actually, it's
Or on a poster or something.
Yeah,
I
I
think
post.
une-poster ngizocheck.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least yabo nama kungaba ne-poster yabo
yeah.
si-post nje.
Share.
Yeah, sharing. Yeah, guys, yeah, you're winning Red Bulls. We are gonna give you wings. So yeah, be ready. When you just
For 90 minutes.
subscribe.
Yeah, our first step
Yeah.
is you subscribe on our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Second, follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Third, post a screenshot on Facebook, Instagram story showing you followed us. Tag us and your friends, 5 friends. That's when we'll give you our something nice.
Take 5.
Yeah. So we're sort of like renting our wings to you. Or just, Skatnyana, then you bring them back.
Yeah, wedu kuphi amhlaba wonke uzuza izokulethela.
So ungabi left out uthi asiganga for khona yabo. Sithi nazi ingcamce la ithulisi sitholakala la ithulisi mara thina soza ku. Yabo. So wena nje yenza into right. Thank you.
Subscribe.
Happy
This is me flying away.
belated birthday ku
Mabo.
Big Z. Hayi wena akabirthday lo. Akana birthday.
Ngoba mina ba serious ngathi vele soze kuwe umuntu
Happy belated birthday bafethu ku Big Z. Yeah.
Hey.
Ndabona vele ba serious ngathi
Ama-alien birthday akayithu.
Wena
Ama-alien.
njengawo.
Ayeze ngikhululeke.
Mr. Big Z, happy birthday. Just say birthday, we're not saying belated.
Yeah, no, siyayivala njengoba ivulile. Umavula vala.
Last week asivulanga sivalanga.
Asivulanga siyivalanga besizenzela rija kanama.
Straight.
Yeah.
Raw.
Cela umphinele.
Hayi.
Oh, what happened?